Hello everyone and welcome to Ayesha's Unique Cuisines Cuisine du Monde, a channel dedicated to global recipes and to individuals who are passionate about trying out new recipes around the world. So if today is your first time of coming across this channel, you are most welcome, and you can support the channel by liking the video, sharing it with others, subscribing, and just to assure you that subscription is entirely free. And also ensure that you turn on your bell icon for notification. That way anytime I upload a video, you get notified. So today we are in the shores of Greece. We're gonna make some Greek salad. I'll just briefly skim through the ingredients. I'll put a full list in the description for you to access. So we need some cheese, we need some cucumber, we need some 2 large avocados, some carrots, optional. You can incorporate in mixed bell pepper instead. I like carrots. Some tomatoes, 3 large tomatoes, some olives, very essential, green bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, red onions. And then for our dressing, I have some balsamic salad dressing, but I'm gonna add my touch to it. So I need some ground black pepper, some olive oil, some cayenne pepper, and some herbs, some rosemary and what have you. So let's commence. I'm gonna start off by assembling our veggies. So in goes the cucumber, in goes the cucumber, the carrot, the tomatoes, the bell pepper, and then the onions. Incorporating everything, mix everything thoroughly. Blend of colors, isn't it? I set this aside and do the dressing. So we'll start off with a bit of olive oil, dried rosemary, your herbs, bits of the balsamic, dressing, a teaspoon of the black pepper, pinch of salt just to wake everything up. Now mix everything thoroughly using a whisk or a fork.
Ayesha's Unique Cuisines, Ayesha's Unique Cuisines, a place where your cooking is cared for. Ayesha's Unique Cuisines, Ayesha's Unique Cuisines, a place where your cooking is cared for. Ayesha's Unique Cuisines, you are what you eat. Eat well, live well. Ayesha's Unique Cuisines. Ayesha's Unique Cuisines. Come on, Ayesha's Unique Cuisines. A place where your cooking is cared for. Ayesha's Unique Cuisines. Come on, Ayesha's Unique Cuisines. A place where your cooking is cared for. Ayesha's Unique Cuisines. You are what you eat. Eat well, live well. Ayesha's Unique Cuisines. So this is a cooking platform whereby we cook cuisines around the world. So if you like eating recipes across the globe, this channel is for you. And you can support it by subscribing, liking, commenting, and sharing. That way YouTube gets to recommend my channel and
turn on your bell icon so anytime I upload a video, you'll be the first to get hold of it. Until then, it's a goodbye from me to you, from Chef Ayesha.